बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। दोस्तों, एजुकेशन रिलेटेड MCQs के हवाले से आज हमारा जो फोकस है वो टेस्ट मैनेजमेंट और पेडागोजी ऑफ एजुकेशन पे होगा। ये सारे टॉपिक जो हैं बड़े एसेंशियल होते हैं, बड़े ज़रूरी हैं। जितने भी एजुकेशन के टेस्ट होते हैं सब के अंदर यही तरह के सवाल मोस्ट रिपीट होते हैं। अगर आप PPSC की या FPSC की या किसी भी कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो मेरी तमाम वीडियोस जो हैं आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होने वाली हैं। ये आज की क्लास 5 है। अगर आप पिछली क्लासेस को देखना चाह रहे हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन के अंदर लिंक सबके मौजूद हैं। आप वहाँ से इन वीडियोस को हासिल कर सकते हैं और तमाम वीडियोस को देख के आप अपनी अच्छी तैयारी कर सकते हैं। आइए वक्त ज़ाया किए बगैर हम अपने क्वेश्चंस की तरफ चलते हैं। आज का पहला क्वेश्चन है कि एजुकेशनल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इज़ द प्रोसेस ऑफ ऑप्शंस है हमारे पास यूटिलाइजिंग अप्रोप्रिएट रिसोर्सेज फॉर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ह्यूमन क्वालिटीज़। ऑप्शन बी है हमारे पास मैनेजिंग एक्टिविटीज़ ऑफ एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस। सी ऑप्शन प्लानिंग ऑर्गेनाइजिंग डायरेक्टिंग एंड कंट्रोलिंग ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज इन एजुकेशनल सेटिंग्स। ऑप्शन डी इज़ none of the above। इन तमाम ऑप्शंस में आप देख रहे हैं सी ऑप्शन में एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के प्रोसेस के कंपोनेंट्स बताए गए हैं, लेकिन जो डेफिनेशन बनती है एजुकेशनल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की वो आपका बी ऑप्शन है मैनेज एक्टिविटीज़ ऑफ एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस। तो हमारा जो राइट आंसर है यहाँ पे वो बी वाली ऑप्शन है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इन एजुकेशनल मैनेजमेंट फंक्शन ऑफ प्लानिंग इज। प्लानिंग का मकसद क्या होता है? नंबर 1 इज़ प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर फ्यूचर डिज़ायर्ड गोल्स। ऑप्शन बी इज़ फिनेंशियल प्लानिंग। सी इज़ टू अपॉइंट स्टाफ और ऑल ऑफ द अबव। प्लानिंग का जो मकसद है वो ये जितने मकसद यहाँ पे बयान किए हैं या उन सब में ये शामिल होती है। तो here we have the option is D, all of the above। Next question, in educational management function of reporting is number A documentation, B option is record keeping, C inspection and D all of the above। रिपोर्टिंग में ये सारे काम शामिल होते हैं, इंस्पेक्शन के साथ साथ डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, रिकॉर्ड कीपिंग भी। तो here simple option D is correct। Next question, in educational management function of coordinating is option A record keeping, relationship between stakeholders, to appoint staff, D none of the above। coordinating राब्ते का जो काम होता है उसमें रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन स्टेक होल्डर्स की कोऑर्डिनेटिंग का काम है। ऑप्शन बी इज़ द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इन एजुकेशनल मैनेजमेंट फंक्शन ऑफ बजटिंग इज। बजट का क्या मकसद है, क्या काम है? ऑप्शन ए फिनेंशियल प्लानिंग, बी अकाउंटिंग, सी कंट्रोल एंड एक्सपेंडिचर, डी इज ऑल ऑफ द above। Clearly here the option correct is all of the above। Now we move on our next questions। Question number 6, type of education administrations are how many types? There are 3 types। The right answer is option B। Next question, in education administration autocratic administration, this is the type 1 of administration। Option A, one person is responsible for running affairs of the institution, 2 persons are responsible, both A and B। autocratic के अंदर 1 person is responsible होता है। तो here is option A is correct। Next question, modern concept in educational administration is, modern concept is autocratic or democratic or laissez-faire। The right option here is modern concept says administration। In In educational administration, laissez-faire administration means option A, complete freedom to the group of or individual, opinions of all the staff honored, power lay within single person. Option D, all of the above. Here the right option is first one, complete freedom to the group of or individual. Next question, education supervision means option A, assistant in development. Next question, education supervision means option A, assistance in development of teaching learning process. B, that discipline through which we control affairs of others. And option C is both A and B, and D is none of the above. Here the right answer obviously C, both A and B. Next, according to Allama Iqbal, aim of the education is option A, development of individual personality, option B, development of family, or option C, getting jobs. Here the right answer is first one, which says a development of individual personality. Next question, Allama Iqbal suggested which subjects should be included in the curriculum. Option A, religious subjects, B, social subjects, C, history and science, D, all of the above. Here obviously the right answer is all of the above. Next question, Allama Iqbal stress on which method of teaching? Learning by doing, learning by technology, cooperative learning, or none of the above. Allama Iqbal emphasizes on learning by doing. Here the right answer is A. Next question, system of education in a country is based on which thing? Development of individual personality, or skill development, or ideology of a nation? None of the above. System is based on ideology of a nation is the right answer, which is option C. Next one, Aligarh Muslim University was established in which year? University 1875, 1921, 1935. None is the fourth option, and the correct answer here is 1921. Now we'll move on next questions. Question number 16. Deoband movement focused more on which type of education? Islamic, English system of education, both A and B. Deoband movement basically Islamic education focused. So here's the right option is A. 17 question, Deoband education system ignored what thing? Scientific, religion, philosophy. And the right answer here is scientific education is the lack in Deoband education. MAO College was established in which year? College 1873, 1875 or 1877. And D option is none of the above. The right answer here is 1877. 19. Scientific Society was established by whom? Scientific Society किसने बनाई? Option A Allama Iqbal, B Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Maulvi Abdul Latif Khan, none of the above. And the right answer here is obviously Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Next question, aim of the Scientific Society was to translate what? Option A, Book of English into Urdu, or Hindi, Book of Urdu into English, both A and B. And the right answer here is option A, Book of English into Urdu and Hindi. Question number 21. What is meant by performance test? Performance test का क्या मतलब है? Option A, special ability test, online MCQs test, written descriptive test. And the right answer here is first one, special ability test. Next question, Army Alpha test. Options are here: group test, group study, individual test, none of the above. आर्मी अल्फा टेस्ट जो हैं ये कंडक्ट किए गए थे वर्ल्ड वार 1 के टाइम पे, और दे आर ग्रुप टेस्ट, और ये स्पेशली जो पढ़े लिखे फौजी थे उनके लिए ये टेस्ट डेवलप किया गया था, याद रखिएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आर्मी बीटा टेस्ट इज नोन एज individual test, individual MCQs test, group test, none of the above. Army beta test is also a group test, but ये डिज़ाइन किया गया था स्पेशली उन लोगों के लिए जो कि उन फौजियों के लिए जो कि ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे बिल्कुल भी नहीं थे, तो उनके लिए कुछ इशारों की मदद से टेस्ट क्रिएट किया जाता था, ये आर्मी बीटा टेस्ट, याद रखिएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, standardized tests are commonly known as criterion referenced, norm referenced, norm criterion referenced. Option D is none of the above, and the right answer here is B, norm referenced test. Next question, important characteristics of standardized test are option A, reliability and accuracy, option B, reliability and practically, accuracy and practically, none of the above. And the right option here is standardized tests are always reliable and accurate. Option A is correct. Now we move on next questions. Reliability is what? Option A, quality of consistency of test results, hypothetical estimation. And the right option here is consistency. Reliability means consistency, which is option B. Best method of the evolution of the personality is survey test, inventory test, and both A and B are none of the above. Here the right option is inventory test are good for evolution of personality. Okay, next. Last national education policy of Pakistan was implemented in which year? 1971, 2009, 2017. And the right answer, obviously, you know that, 2017. In which year United Nations organization proclaimed the right to learn for children? There are 4 options. First one, 20 November 1959, 20 November 1960, or 20 November 1961. And the right option here is last one, which is 20 November 1961. Next question, evidence of validity can be related to the construct, content, criterion. And the last option is all of the above. Evidence you can get from all of these. Here the right option is all of the above. Okay. Policy of nationalization of education was first adopted by whom in 1972? Nationalization policy. And the right option is the General Zia-ul-Haq, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, Ayub Khan. These are the options, and right one is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. 32. Darul Uloom Deoband was established in which year? 1965, 66, 67. A very important question. This is the option B is correct, 1866. Next question, supreme interest of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan life was? Option A, political reforms, education, independence of Muslim majority areas. Option D is none of the above. And the right answer here is education. MAO College initially was a a school or college or university? And the right option here is clearly it is a school. Next question. First educational conference held in which city of Pakistan? Options are Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad. And the first educational conference was held in Karachi is the right answer. Next we move on our today's last 5 questions. Still next first educational conference in Pakistan held from, dates बतानी है कब हुई थी. Option A 1st November to 1st December 1947. Option B 10th November to 1st December 1947. Option C 20th November to 1st December 1947. And the right answer here is the C1, which is 20 November to 1st December. Next question. First educational conference in Pakistan convened under the supervision of. Supervision किसने की ये बताना है. तो the right answer here is लियाकत अली खान और सरागा खान, कायद आज़म मोहम्मद अली जनाब. And obviously the right answer here should be the Qaid Azam, which was Governor General at that time. Okay. Who was the first education minister of Pakistan? Education minister का पूछा है. Then Fazlur Rahman, Liaquat Ali Khan, Maulvi Tamizuddin. The first option, Fazlur Rahman. Education minister of Pakistan during a speech on the occasion of first conference in 1947 proposed which dimensions of education? Option A is spiritual, B is social, C is vocational, D all of the above. Option E none of the above, and the right answer is all of the above. Next question. Major recommendations given at the end of first education conference on 1st December 1947 were, which are? Option A free and compulsory education. Education should be teamed with Islamic values. Emphasizes on science and technology, technical education. Okay. Option D is both A and B. Here the right answer is yes, the D, both A and B. Okay. That's come to end of our 2 days video. अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियोस पसंद आ रही हैं तो आप मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें. इंशाल्लाह फ्यूचर में भी मैं आपको इसी तरह की एजुकेशनल और डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स के हवाले